Well, hey, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Today we're going to make a wonderful casserole. We're about to reach the fall season. It's all about corn mazes and corn this. Well, how about a cornbread casserole? This one is a baked bean cornbread casserole. Let's try it out. Grab a bowl. We need a box of Jiffy with a half a cup of milk and an egg. Whisk that together. Let's add half a cup of cheddar cheese, a quarter cup of chopped green onions, and a quarter cup cooked and chopped bacon. Let's add some black pepper and a teaspoon of smoked paprika. And the star of the show, a can of baked beans. Dump it in and gently fold those ingredients in. And then pour that into a prepared 8x8 baking dish. And then you drizzle on a tablespoon of melted butter. And this is going to get baked in a 375-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. Baked bean cornbread casserole. Let's try it. It definitely tastes like baked beans. It's quite a stodgy casserole, but tasty. It kind of tastes exactly what end of summer, beginning of fall should taste like. I think I'd give this dish a 6.8 out of 10. Why did the 7-foot man bring 2 cans of beans onto his flight? Because he wanted more legume.